All right, hello, my friends. It is your friend CryptoFace, and it's been a tough week. I'm just gonna record this little video. I tried live streaming, but I'm at the Gaylord Hotel in Florida, and I have a long day of traveling ahead. But we'll go over some price action and take a look at some charts. But first, I just want to say that our prayers are with Charlie Kirk's soul. I think he should be canonized by the Catholic diocese. You know, in order to be a saint, if you're a saint, it basically means that you're guaranteed in heaven. And you know, whether some of you somehow disagreed with anything he said or whatever, you know, it's that was disgusting and uncalled for and sad, and it's weighing on me heavily. Words cannot describe. So sad and so tragic. Speechless. So yeah, shout out to his soul and his family. Anyways, going over price action. Solana on the 30-minute, the hourly. These are the two time frames I've been able to look at so far. Look amazing. Momentum is heavy up. RSIs are strong. The 30-minute is looking good. The hourly, beautiful VWAP coming up, looking like a Chinese trumpet, which is a continuation pattern. If it's going up, it's continuation up. If it's going down, it's continuation down. So Solana looks good. Gates are open on momentum there on the daily. And what we got an hour left until I believe the market's open. 2 hours left until the market's open. ETH VWAP coming up, just crossing the zero line. Little momentum clip coming up here as well. Hopefully it's a nice big one here. This is the 2-day. Let's enhance and go into the daily, and just this pattern alone, the way these candles look, this curvature, this is very nice curvature against these spider lines here as well. Yeah, I'm liking this shape. We came out consolidated. Everyone was hella bearish. Everyone was bearish. Even I got a little squeamish, but I held bullish. I held strong. We held strong. The 12-hour, the gates are open. Well, there's only 22 minutes left in this candle. But I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Let's go to standard candles. Looking good. Let's see what the dual bands are looking like here. The dual band strength index on the 12-hour Heiken Shis. A little bit of weakening on the Heikens. Let's go to a lower time frame here on the 6-hour. Yeah, not the biggest numbers on the bull side, actually. Super weak on the bear side, so that's good. RSIs are a little spaced, but momentum's coming up. This is good curvature. This looks like this thing's going to keep on going. This momentum wave looks strong to me. 4-hour momentum looks good. RSIs inside of each other. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. The copy group, the 100K to 1 mil challenge, we were down to $18,000. We are now back to 87,000. So technically speaking, if I'm able to get us back to our starting point, 100K, we've gone from 18,000 to 100K. That is a 5x. One could say that's almost equal to being 100,000 to 500,000 technically. So that would make the 100K to 1 mil challenge that much sweeter if it was actually an 18K to 1 mil challenge. But we got a long way to go. Long way to go, one day at a time. Ethereum, Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin. That's what I'm on this group. And then on this account, this is also a 100K to 1 mil challenge. Started with 100K. This one's at 439. So technically, this one's going pretty damn good. And let's see, Bitcoin red, Solana, Ethereum. What's Bitcoin looking like? What's Bitcoin looking like here? Let's go to the weekly. What day is it today? Okay, it's still early in the month. A little VWAP potentially coming up here on the weekly on Bitcoin. I'm liking this green candle with the hike and the sheaves. We had 1, 2, 3 red. Ooh, let's see if we can get that up into the green. The 3-day, nice dual band strength index on the 3-day. 2-day, nice little curvature coming up here. These RSIs look like they're arching back up to gain some strength here. Momentum gates are open to the upside. Slight little red money flow in the bull runs. We spend a lot of time in the green, little time in the red. So we're looking for that little time in the red. Scrunch these up here. Yeah, beautiful. I mean, just like when money flow came down here, right here. Little bit of time in the red, pow! Bunch of time in the green. Came back down, a little time in the red. Nice little triple bottom on momentum, pow! Beautiful RSIs. Beautiful RSIs right here. And momentum looks good. Oh. I need to scroll up here. I don't know how I'm going to scroll up here. Here we go. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on the 6 hour. We're seeing coins go back and forth. How's MYX doing? MYX, is it at 18? Oh my gosh, this thing's been quite volatile. I'm not in any positions on it. Jeez. Oh man, I'm struggling here with this laptop. Hang on here. Why is it like this? What's going on here? Okay. Turn that off. Nope. Using a thumb pad. I'm on the the thumb pad. Here we go. I know this is messed up. What's going on here? I don't even know what time frame we're on here. How do we... Okay. Okay, here. I could have sworn this thing was at $12 like earlier. Okay. The 30-minute. Damn, this thing dipped. Okay, now it's coming back up. All right, what do we see here? RSIs look good on MYX. Money flow, I mean, it's in the red. Could be curving up here. VWAP is coming down a little bit. Momentum is up, though. A little confusing here. Dangerous coin, but the RSIs look good. I like this MYX. I do like it. It's a new shit token that I am holding. I like it. Let's go to TAUSDT. Okay, this keeps just dropping down. Yep, this is a shit coin I'm gonna avoid. We're gonna avoid. I tried longing it, and it just kept coming down. So I'm gonna avoid this one for now. Sami, here we go. Okay, nice little bottom formation here. Was expecting this to go up sooner. Looks like I might have been a day or two early. I like how this looks on this hourly. I'm liking this hourly on it. Still dangerous, but this is a good low risk, high reward. Although with the prices so low, every little click counts. This is a good little, enter here. and, you know, have your stops down here. I'm liking that. 4 hour, not a lot of data there. It doesn't really look good on the 4 hour. A little dangerous on the 2 hour. Hourly is where there's some hope. It's a 30-minute. Yeah, I would. This is I'm longing this with caution. Longing this with caution with the tight stop right under support here. I think that's about it. How are we looking here? Yeah, back from 18,000 to 87,000 currently. And I'm looking forward to going back home and being active again. So the 100K to 1 mil challenge. Hey, we're almost there on this one. And this one, we're almost back at the starting point. I'll see you guys later. God bless you. And be safe out there. It's a sick world. Sick people out there. And depressing. Thank you. Thank you. See you guys soon.